These young guys, mechanics at the end of that site, set this fire close to a lorry station. Just by it, next to it, you can see a Benab gas station which they sell fuel. Next, across the street is a gas filling station. Next to it again is a total filling station. Look at all these people around with the danger they are posing everybody into. Please, the authorities who are in charge should talk to these people to stop this nonsense. And this station, I think, should be relocated because it creates unnecessary traffic on this stretch at Atomic Junction.